Hey buddy, today in this video, we're going to show you how you can make butter bacon cheeseburger in the air fryer. Let's get started. We have here a whole stick of butter, and we're going to be using around 1 tablespoon of butter for each bun. I'm going to split it in half so it can spread more evenly. There you go. Now we're going to make the 2 patties. Okay, for the patties, you want to flatten them to be around 1/4 inch thick. 1/4 inch or maybe just a little bit thicker than that would be just fine. There you go. It can be just a little bit beyond 1/4 inch thick or somewhere around there. Okay. Next, what you want to do is put some garlic salt. And some onion powder. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to preheat the air fryer. For the air fryer, you want to set the air fryer to 360 degrees for 8 minutes. And we're going to let it preheat and we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer has been preheated at 360 degrees. Now we're going to put in the burgers. And now we're going to put in the bacon. Okay, we have 4 strips of bacon in there. And now we're going to put it back in. And we'll be back. And at the halfway point for the burgers, we're going to flip them. Okay, we're at the halfway point and now we're going to flip the burgers. Looking good so far. Just going to flip them over. There we go. Now we're going to put it back in for the last 4 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, the burgers are ready. Look at that, looking great. Now we're going to take them out. What we're going to do now is we're going to add the piece of cheese on top. Now the bacon. We're just gonna wipe down real quick the air fryer. And we're gonna preheat it again for 350 degrees for 3 minutes. Start. We're just gonna let it preheat first and then we're gonna put in the buns. The air fryer has been preheated at 350 degrees. And now we're going to put in the buns. Okay. Now we're going to put it back in and we'll be back. Okay, the buns are ready and now we're going to take them out. Looking good. Now we're gonna put it on the plate. Okay, this is what we have today. Butter bacon cheeseburger. If you would like to see more content on food and travel, product reviews, recipes, and more, subscribe to support our channel. Thanks!